Hi everybody, Bentley here. And in this video I want to show you how to change the permalink structure of your WordPress websites. As you can see, I am here inside the WordPress dashboard, and this is of course where you end up when you log into your WordPress installation. To change the permalinks, all you have to do is come to the settings tab over here, and you can see the menu pops out and permalinks can be found down here. And basically what the permalinks are the sort of permanent links, the permanent addresses of all the posts and pages on your website. The default format for these particular addresses is a sort of alphanumeric thing like this. It's sort of a question mark. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in a bit here. A question mark, and then a P equals, and then a number, and the number is just whatever number has been assigned to that particular post or page. Okay, so if we go back to this is the actual test site that I've created, the Make Websites Now test site, and I'm going to be using this for obviously demoing and testing various things out. But if we go to one of these test posts that I've created, if you look up at the URL, the web address up here, you can see test site. That's where the installation is, and then it's this P equals 7 stuff. Obviously that's not the ideal way to have it displayed. It's not ideal for people because it doesn't make any sense to us. I read that, it doesn't tell me anything about what sort of post I'm going to, and doesn't help the search engines either. It's not very descriptive. So what we want ideally is something that contains some words in it and gives an indication of what the poster page is about. So I use a custom structure, and this is the format. It sort of remembers what I last wrote in here, so it's already in there. It's not that easy to remember, but you might want to kind of write this down. It's the slashes and the percentage marks that kind of get confusing. But basically it's category and post name are the two major things. So in the case of a blog post, the category that the blog post is in, and then the actual name of the post. In the case of a page, it will essentially just be the page name. So there's no categories for the pages, so it'll just be your site / page name. Okay, so I'm going to save the changes, and I'm going to show you what happens now. So let's go back to the home of this website, and let's now visit test post number 2. So what you can see here is makewebsitesnow.com /test site. Again, this is the installation of WordPress. So I have 2 installations of WordPress, but this is my test installation. Anyway, so the category is uncategorized. Uncategorized is the default category that comes with WordPress when it's first installed. I recommend changing that to something else, but anyway, and then you can see the test post number 2. So it's very descriptive, and that's going to help both people and the search engines to tell what your post or page is about. So that's basically it for permalinks. Very, very easy to do, and I recommend doing some kind of, it doesn't necessarily have to be exactly the way I do it, but something along those lines. Post name is another one that's pretty simple, and you don't even worry about the category at all, but I prefer the category as well, just because that adds another element of description. Alright, so hope you found this interesting and helpful, and yeah, I'm sure we'll talk again soon.